Workplace violence. For some numbers, and then some things that you can do about it. Did you know 68% of us, we don't feel safe at our own place of work. 89% of nurses and 44% of teachers are seriously attacked. Taxi drivers are twice as likely to be murdered on the job compared to police officers. Who do you think needs more self-defense training? Police or people like you? However, here are 5 things that you as an individual can do about it. Safety, it isn't an afterthought. There is no job or task worth more than you. Ensure that you are safe first and then proceed with your responsibilities. Reflect on past experiences and what your concerns are, and then walk through your workplace and ask yourself, if that happened here, how would I respond? If it happened there, how would I respond? Develop specific plans and also backup plans. Focusing on specifics helps you prepare more effectively. Now, once you have your plans, practice them regularly. This turns what is a vague plan that's never going to help you into an effective habit that will never let you down. Invest in self-defense training. If training can be done at your work area, that's best. If not, ask your instructor if they can mock up a training area that mimics where you work. What you want is very real feel down inside about your environment and how it would go. Car, office, wherever you work, mock that up or train right there. A good self-defense program is going to include massive amounts of communication, situational awareness, conflict resolution. It will shock you just how much you can do to stop violence long before you even have to talk. But it's counterintuitive, so you're going to need some help. My name's Andrew. It's a strange little self-defense course. I call it strange because nobody else does what we do, but it changes everything. If there is no one else out there who's helping you, we can, even if you never become a client. Tell us what your concerns are, and let's see if we can make your life just a little bit safer.